So in this slide, you come to know that how the Earth has formed from the solar system. So what is the role of solar system and the nebulae and the eddies in the formation of Earth? So solar system was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. It was formed from one last spinning cosmic cloud of gas and dust, and most of the clouds of gas condensed rapidly around a single center, that is forming the sun. So it releases the thermonuclear energy and becoming more hotter and brighter. So that's how the sun is formed. So rotational movement of dust and gases that threw out a ring of clouds which continued rotating around the central mass. So around the central mass there were some kind of rings formed of dust and cloud. So ring of cloud later broke up into the eddies of varying size and condensed due to gravitation from planets. So this is how they are forming the planets. So rings of clouds broken up into eddies and they condensed due to gravitation and they are forming the planets. So this in this diagram how you can see that around the sun these are having some kinds of the planetary rotations and these planets are formed. So these Earth is formed by condensation of an eddy uh, due to increase in temperature and due to internal pressure and gravitation and effect of solar heating, and that's why Earth is formed. So heavy metals like iron and nickel they sank into the deeper part and they forming the center part and form the molten core. Lighter materials like silicates, carbides, and other metals they come on the surface, and these are solidified, forming the rocks and surface crust. And in between the core and crust, this is called the mantle, which is a solid consists of iron, magnesium, and silicates. This is how the Earth is formed, having the three portions, three regions: central core, and then surface crust, and in between is the mantle. You can see in this diagram showing the outer core, inner core, crust, and the mantle. So Earth takes exactly 1 year to complete its orbit, moving at a speed of 29.6 kilometers per second. So this is how the Earth takes a rotation around the Sun. So formation of Earth taking place by the broken down of the eddies or condensation of the eddies. So this is the formation of Earth. Later you come to know about the atmosphere of the Earth. In the initial stage, the atmosphere of Earth was reducing. There was no oxygen. Later on, it will become oxidized. So when we having the brief introduction about the primitive Earth and its atmosphere, then we can just become aware about the understanding of the origin of initial life and its evolution into the first cells. So, Earth has taken place, or Earth has originated, or some other planets originated in the same way. And you know that in this theory that it is proved that origin of life on the Earth has taken place from the non-living material, and it has taken by chance. So two things comes out from this theory, that it is life coming from non-living materials and it took place by chance. So if similar conditions and sufficient time will be given, it is possible that similar processes could occur again and produce life, and that life might have evolved or might be evolving at other places in the universe also. So it's not the Earth only that we having the life. There may be the possibility that life can be on other planets also. That's why we are doing research and just moving to other planets also for searching of water and for searching of the life. So this is how you come to know about the origin of universe, origin of life, and origin of Earth in this presentation. So you come to know about the nebula, Big Bang theory, and the eddies. And later on, you will come to know about the atmosphere, how it has changed from the reducing to the oxidizing. So this is how you can understand about the